ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I am Sandeep, student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, pursuing my first year degree. I am here to discuss about four-stroke diesel engine. Four-stroke diesel engine is also known as the compressed ignition engine, since in this kind of engine the combustion occurs due to the compressing air more than the fuel self ignition temperature. The compression ratio of this engine is higher as compared to the SI engine and it not uses spark plug. This engine works on the thermodynamic diesel cycle. Parts of four-stroke diesel engines are fuel injector, inlet camshaft, inlet valve, piston, crankshaft, connecting rod, exhaust valve, exhaust camshaft. Four-stroke diesel engine working principle. The four-stroke diesel engine works on the diesel cycle. The pressure versus specific volume graph is shown in this slide. The four processes in the diesel engines are as follows. Process 1 to 2, isentropic compression. Process 2 to 3, constant pressure heat addition. Process 3 to 4, isentropic expansion. Process 4 to 1, constant volume heat rejection. Working of four-stroke diesel engine. At the start, when the piston moves from TDC to BDC, from intake manifold air enters into the cylinder through the inlet port. When the piston moves from TDC to BDC, the piston creates a vacuum inside the cylinder. Hence, due to the pressure difference between intake manifold and cylinder, air enters into the cylinder. During this suction stroke, the inlet valve is open and at the end of the suction stroke, the inlet valve closes. After suction stroke is done, the piston starts to move from BDC to TDC. During this moment, the piston compresses the air to high pressure inside the cylinder. During compression, both valves are closed. After compression of the air, the fuel injector sprays the fuel inside the cylinder. Hence, fuel gets ignited, therefore combustion starts. High pressure gases expand inside the cylinder and push the piston downwards. During expansion, both valves are closed. Due to expansion stroke, power is obtained from the engine. Hence, expansion stroke is also called power stroke. After expansion stroke, the piston moves from BDC to TDC. During this movement of the piston, the burnt exhaust gases from the exhaust valve of the cylinder are released through the engine exhaust pipe in the environment. During this exhaust stroke, only the exhaust valve is open and at the end of the stroke, exhaust valve closes and the inlet valve opens to suck fresh air. Hence, in this way, cycle continues and the power obtains from the engine. The advantages of the four-stroke diesel engines are higher torque generation, high power generation, lower fuel cost in comparison with gasoline or petrol engine. The spark plug is not necessary for ignition. Higher thermal efficiency in comparison with petrol engines, suitable for heavy load applications. It generates higher torque at lower speed, less fuel consumption. Disadvantages of four-stroke diesel engines are it requires high pressure fuel injection system. The engine works at higher compression ratio. The maintenance cost is higher in comparison with gasoline engines. Most of the diesel engines are noisy in operation. The diesel engines are bulky than petrol engines. During winter season, it becomes difficult to start the engine. It creates more vibrations. The heater is necessary during cold season to start the engine. Applications of four-stroke diesel engines are the four-stroke diesel engine has application in many kind of the automobiles such as follows: train, boat, truck, wagon. Thank you everyone.